How to create a blog section in WordPress. In this video we will create a blog section in the main navigation. This section will have 4 posts that will be divided into 3 categories. First, we need to create a blog page. Then, it is necessary to define that the page we created is a blog page. Inside the post section we are adding 4 dummy posts for our blog section. Blog posts have been created, but are not in any category, so we will create 3 new categories and add posts to them. Posts are categorized. Although we have created our blog section, it is still not visible in the main navigation, so we need to add it to the main menu. In addition to the blog page that contains all our blog posts, blog categories can be added. Categories contain only those posts that have been added to them. We will set the categories to be subpages of the blog page. Now, in the main navigation, we see the blog page and within it categories. As we said, the main blog page contains all the posts we have, and the categories only the posts that are in them. Our posts are empty, so we'll add dummy text and featured images for each one, to make it look like a real blog. Featured image is an image that is displayed with the title of a blog post, and also when sharing a post link on a social network for chatting, such as Viber, WhatsApp and so on. Let's see the blog section now. We will also briefly show you how comments work. When a visitor leaves a comment, it will not be visible automatically. The website administrator needs to approve the comment. Breadcrumb and link structure are not according to SEO standards, so we will change that. Tags are also useful and can be used to group posts. We will add certain tags to our posts so that visitors can search posts by tag. In one of the next videos, we will explain the difference between categories and tags. In the Customize part, you can define which elements will be displayed. Let's see how it can be searched by tag. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we will explain how widgets work.